Hello, you're welcome back to Quiver Analytics, and in this video we will talk about tests of association between categorical variables. Now remember, we are still using the baby's data, and we have sex, hypertensive level as the two categorical variables in this data set. All right, so without much ado, let's go straight to see how to do that. Now, summaries, tables, and blah blah blah. We have frequencies. Now let's go to two-way table with measures of association. All right. So we have, just like we've done before, we selected sex here, and this is the row variable, and column as hypothesis. I mean hypertensive. Now, I recommend, well, for me as a rule of thumb, I use I use row as my independent variable because, okay, for this example, probably sex can be responsible for being hypertensive or not. Okay, maybe hypertensive or not. Maybe hypothetically speaking, maybe being hypertensive can be responsible for somehow can be responsible for the sex of the child. All right. Okay, it's just hypothetically. I prefer having my independent variable by the row and then the dependent variable by the column. So either way, I'm selecting, I need the Pearson's chi-square value. I don't need Fisher's Goldman, likelihood ratio, Kendall, Kramer, Pearson chi-square, within column, relative frequencies expected. Okay, list rows in order of observed frequency, columns of blah blah, treating values like order, do not wrap, show cell content key, suppress values. I think I'm okay with this. All right, these are advanced options. So let's check this out. Now we have the tabulate hype sex chi-square. Now we have the um, hypertensive condition 1 and 2, the hypertensive as 1, the normal as 2, while male and female, we have them here. All right, now this is where we are going to. The chi-square value is 2.3690. Now, the higher your chi-square value, the higher your, the lower your p-value. All right, here, for the chi-square, the null hypothesis is that there is no significant association between the two categorical variables, that's hypertensive nature and sex of babies. All right, now here we reject the null hypothesis. We say it is not significant, and we say the test is not significant, and we accept the null hypothesis that um, there's no significant association between the two categorical variables. Hypertensiveness of the mother does not predict or determine, or is not associated with, that's the proper way, is not associated with the sex of babies. All right, now looking at this, what if we want to add the percentages to the contingency table? Remember what we did before. We can write column here, or we write row and enter. So you can see row wise the percentages are given row wise. We still have that. Then again, instead of row, you can have column and enter. So that is about chi-square. Chi-square is used to test the degree of association between two categorical variables. All right, in the next video we'll check about testing association between non-categorical variables, that's continuous variables. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share with people you think might be useful for. Thank you, and see you in the next video.